What's going on? Have like natural hair can change their hair. So I'll be showing you what my final look is, and then I'll be talking to you about how I go through this process. All
right, guys, here it is. Here's a brand new look. I'll do a little bit of a swirly swirl for you. So this look right here is a little bit longer. It's about 4.5 inches up here in the front, and it is about 3.5 inches through the rest of the hair system. Now that is the change of about 1/2 inch all over the entire hair system, as I am trying to grow my hair out, as I told you guys in the beginning of this video. So the way that I go about growing out my hair, which a lot of people say that you can't, and that people will know you have a hair system because one day you just have hair that is short, next it's long, or the fact that it's always the same. This is my method, right? So what I do is I plan about every 2 months to get my hair about 1/2 inch longer, and I just start changing up the styles. 1/2 inch is not really noticeable for most people to see. When it's a little bit shorter, I think it's a little bit more noticeable, like when we're down below 2.5 inches, because it dramatically changes the styles that a person wears. But when your hair starts getting about 3.5 inches, well, really 3 inches or longer, I think you can get away with a lot just by changing your hairstyle on a day-to-day basis, right? So day one, I might wear my hair down, kind of like Justin Bieber style, bangs and all. Next day, I might push it back. And if you do this a lot, it becomes very, very tough to tell what length your hair is to the average person, and nobody's really paying that much attention anyways, but it becomes very, very natural, especially when we're talking about a 1/2 inch of hair growth, right? So for me, this right here is a little bit longer, so it's probably going to be a little bit more swept over to the side than what I've been wearing over the past couple months. I am actually trying to grow out my hair right now slowly to eventually have, I'm actually thinking about growing like my hair out down to here, and just going with swept back style. We'll see what happens. I've talked about it with my stylist, and she seems to think that it's going to look really good. I have some naturally curly hair back here, which is pretty cool. I've always wanted to grow out my hair. I've always wanted to have some lax bro flow. So this is going to be a fun experiment for me. So basically every 2 months I get my hair cut, trimmed up a little bit, just shaped up, and I actually let it grow on the sides, and I extend the length of the hair on the top of the head by about 1/2 inch, which is not much. Most people grow 1/2 inch every month or so, so it's really not that a lot. It's not a lot of growth, and it takes time. But when you do stuff like that, your hair is naturally changing, right? Like if you look at pictures from me 4 months ago, 6 months ago, 8 months ago, I look completely different. And that's super cool to just kind of be able to change and grow with styles and the seasons if you want. So yeah, this is what I do. This is the new hair system. It is a medium light density, as I usually get. No highlights in this one right here. So this is a full poly base. It is 0.0 to 0.03 thickness. And yeah, I actually don't really have a problem with these lasting me a while. I think it's really interesting. Some people say that they can only last like a month or two. For me, I have no problem with their lasting much, much longer. My last system was about 2 or 3 months old, and it had plenty of life left in it. There was no rips, there was no tears or anything like that. And definitely could have kept going if I just, kept dyeing the hair and kept managing it, probably getting like some trims every once in a while. I'm lucky I don't have to do that because I do get some free hair systems from different companies that sponsor videos on the channel. So I have the luxury where I can get a hair system a little bit more often than the average person. But for you out there, you know, you can make it last a long time too. I live my life to the max, always in the gym. I'm always outside snowboarding, things like that. You don't have to have a replacement every month, every 2 months. You can go much, much longer. So guys, I hope you like it. Hope you like the style. Let me know if you like the video. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon.